So imagine an AI that can create an entire video game world just by watching how human moves. No code, no artist, no rule written by humans. This is not science fiction. This is Genie AI by Google DeepMind. So one of the big question everyone is asking right now is how much does this Genie AI cost? And the honest answer is it's not for sale. Genie AI is not an app, it's not a website, and it's not a subscription you can buy right now. Genie AI is a research model built by Google DeepMind only for internal testing and academic research, which means there is no official price, no monthly plan, and no public access. But you can access if you're in USA with having a Google DeepMind Ultra plan. So you can't download it, you can't sign up for it, and you definitely can't use it like ChatGPT or Gemini, at least not yet. Now a lot of people think Genie AI is available only in the US. That's partially true, but not in the way you might think. Genie AI is currently accessible only to Google DeepMind research and selected research partners, most of whom are based in United States and the UK. So yes, the development is happening mainly in the US, but it is not available to the public even in America. So if you are in India, Europe, or anywhere else, you're not missing out. Even people in the US can't use Genie AI right now. So let's talk about what the future might look like. So when Google eventually turn their technology into a product, it will make likely be integrated into existing platforms like future vision of Google's AI tool, game engine, or simulation system. If Gemini AI ever become public, the pricing could look like an enterprise-only tool, a research license, or a premium AI service for developer and studio. But again, this is not confirmed. What important right now is this Genie AI represents a new category of AI. Not text AI, not image AI, but world building AI. An AI that can learn watching reality and then create even new environment on its own. And that's why Google is keeping it locked behind research walls because this isn't just another future of AI. This is glimpse of how future games, simulations and even virtual world might be created. So no price yet, no public release yet and no country specific access. But when Genie AI does come out, it gonna change the rules completely. So now let's talk about why Genie AI is being kept locked. And trust me, this is the most interesting part. Genie AI is not just another AI that write text or generate images. Genie AI can learn from videos, understand movements and physics, and generate entire interactive world. Not scripted world, not hand designed world, not but world created by observing reality. This is extremely powerful technology. If Google released this publicly too early, it could be misused, breaking existing industries, or be copied without safety controls. That's why Genie AI is still in research phase. So Genie AI is trained on videos of the real world. These videos can be gameplays, clips, robot movements, or real life scenarios. By watching these videos, Genie AI learn how object moves, how character interact, how environment respond to action, and how cause and effect works. It doesn't need human to write rules for gravity, movement, or physics. It figures them out by observing patterns. What makes Genie AI special is that it builds something called a world model. A world model is an internal understanding of how a virtual environment should behave. Once Genie AI understands this, it can generate new environment that behave realistically, even if it has never seen that exact world before. That means it's not copying videos, it's creating new playable scenarios based on what it has learned. One of the Genie's AI most powerful feature is that ability to turn a single image or short prompt into a full interactive world. For example, if I show it is a picture of a platform game level, Genie AI can generate a complete environment where a character can move, jump, collide with objects, and interact with the world, and this world follow consistent rules. If you jump, gravity implies. If you hit an obstacle, the character react correctly. Another major feature of Genie AI is action prediction. When a player press a button like move left, jump, or attack, Genie AI predict that should happen next inside the world. It generates the next frame, the next movement, and the next state of environment in real life time. This is very close to how game engine works, but instead of pre-writing code, Genie AI generates everything dynamically. Genie AI also support long-term consistency, which is extremely difficult for AI system. So right now, these features are being tested only in controlled research environment by Google DeepMind. The technology is powerful, experimental, and still evolving. That's why it hasn't been released publicly yet, but it clearly shows that the next generation of AI system will look like this. So if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like subscribe button and drop your thought in the comment. Thanks for watching.